everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Toni and we are going to make a cassava nilupak recipe this time. So I have here all my ingredients: sweetened condensed milk, unsalted butter, and also I have sweetened desiccated coconut, and then a whole cassava which is already peeled. We're just gonna boil it later. That one is 16 ounce or 454 grams per pack. And I also have a cheese for our topping later. So let's get started. So what we do here first is to boil our cassava. So I think our cassava is almost done. So to check it, use fork, poke the fork into the cassava to make sure that it's well cooked. So now let's transfer the cassava pieces in a large bowl. Remove the hard string from the cassava. After removing all the hard strings, we are going to mash it into a fine texture using a potato masher. If you don't have a potato masher, you can also use fork. Now let's add the condensed milk. In this recipe, I only use half can of the condensed milk, so it depends on your preferred sweetness. Mash again until well blended. Add the softened or melted margarine or butter. Mix it well. Now let's add the sweetened grated coconut. Mash again until well blended. I think this molder is so cute, so I'm gonna use this for my nilupak. So I'm gonna scoop the mashed cassava and press it evenly using a spatula or fork. Now slowly remove the molder. Now top the Nilupak with grated cheese. For other Nilupak flavor, let's put Nilupak mixture into the pot in low heat. Pour Buko Pandan flavoring. Stir constantly until well combined. Place the mixture into the molder, press it evenly, and top with grated cheese. Now do the same procedure with the ubi flavor. There you have it guys, my cassava nilupak recipe with 3 flavors. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you again on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.